At 10, it's being described as a staggering and unacceptable drop in test results in the CMS district. And leaders say they do have a plan to fix it.
And the pandemic is largely to blame. And those numbers show a major drop in college readiness in some groups. Fox 46's Derek Dellinger live tonight at West Mike High School with the breakdown of these numbers. And Derek, just how bad is it?
Well, in some subjects, it's a drop really across all grades, as well as all races and all student statuses. And for that matter, the district says getting out of that hole could take years.
When remote learning became the norm, it came at a cost. CMS says early on in the pandemic, they recognized that there was going to have to be some sort of catch-up. And results now out from the state show just how much of a fall it was.
These numbers, these results, were not completely unexpected, but they're unacceptable.
The district says the numbers are clear and dramatic, and in many ways it is not an exaggeration. Here's what it showed: a graduation rate of 83.6, down slightly from previous years. End-of-grade test results that show college and career readiness dropped across the board for elementary reading, with numbers in Black and Hispanic populations dropping by nearly half. Elementary math was the same and in some cases worse. There were some signs of success in higher-grade English and math, but the numbers show for younger students there will be a challenge to right that ship. And the district says it won't be quick, and they don't really know how long it will take.
We don't know just how powerful a return to face-to-face instruction could be.
CMS says the problem is not with the quality of the education. They back that up with similar figures showing other districts around North Carolina and the entire state itself seeing a similar decline.
We did see some students who had gaps in their learning because of technology gaps that we work to address with our local partners and philanthropic community.
The district says they plan on adding more reading instruction time in the elementary grades, more support for math, focusing on underperforming schools, and also adding more services for student mental health.
It's important that we understand the impact of the pandemic.
Now, in the interest of full transparency here, CMS did say that there may be some skewing in some of those numbers because of the way the state did rework some of their testing just a couple of years back. But they did say that that would not account for such a steep fall in the 2020-2021 school year. Live at West Mac, Derek Dellinger, Fox 46.